how to get message request for others on Messenger or Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, or if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. Okay, you can tap this. And okay guys, here scroll down and below you can see the how you get message request for other on Messenger or Facebook. And the setting is set into message request. So you can change this by tap this and you can see the option. So you can set into message request or don't receive request. And okay guys, I decide to set into don't receive request. Some conversation like those that might to go against our community standards will be delivered to spam. Remember, not all messages are message requests. And okay guys, after you set, tap the save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set message request for other on Messenger or Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.